Trixie Rosario here, and today we will learn about fraction. Now first, let us define what is fraction. A fraction simply tells us how many whole we have. You can recognize fraction by the slash between the two numbers. We have at top the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. For example, 1/2. 1/2 is a fraction, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator.
There are two types of fractions, the proper fractions and improper fractions. So what is a proper fraction? Proper fraction is where the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 7/8 is a proper fraction. While on the other hand, the improper fraction is where the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 8/7 is a proper fraction.
Hello guys, I am here to discuss about the techniques on how to solve fraction efficiently. So the first technique is adding the fraction without using least common multiple.
For example, 1/3 plus 1/4. Step 1. Multiply the denominators in order to calculate the common denominators. So 3 times 4 is equals to 12. The second step is multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, and then multiply the numerator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. Some people call this the crisscross method. So 1 times 4 and 3 times 1 equals to 4 plus 3/12. So the third step is add these two solutions together to calculate the numerator. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7/12. So the final answer is 7/12.
So the second technique is adding fraction without using greatest common multiple.
For example, 2/5 plus 3/4. Step 1. Multiply the denominators together in order to have a common denominator. 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Step 2. Divide the common denominator by the original denominator to determine your multiplier. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4 times 2, and 20 divided by 4 is equals to 5 times 3. Multiply the numerator by the factor from step 2. So 4 times 2 plus 5 times 3/20 is equals to 8 plus 15/20. Step 4. Add the resulting answer. So 8 plus 15/20 is equals to 23/20. And our final answer is 23/20.
Now, here's the first problem. Rachel rode a bike for 1/5 of a mile on Monday and 2/3 of a mile on Tuesday. How many miles did she ride altogether?
To solve the problem, we must add 1/5 and 2/3. But first, we will multiply the denominator. 5 times 3 equals 15. Then cross-multiply denominator and numerator, which is 3 times 1 and 5 times 2. So 3 times 1 is equals to 3 and 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Copy denominator 15. So 3 plus 10 is equals to 13, and copy again the denominator 15. Our final answer now is 13/15.
Addition and fraction. Example, 4/3 plus 1/5. So applying the techniques from the previous discussion, we can now easily solve this problem. So 4/3 plus 1/5 don't have common denominator. In order to get the common denominator, you have to times 3 times 5 equal to 15. Then cross multiply. 4 times 5 equals to 20. Then 3 times 1 equal to 3. Then 20 plus 3 equals to 23/15. The Construction of fractions. Example. 4 over 3 minus 3 over 5. 3 times 5 equals to 15. Then cross multiply 4 times 5 minus 3 times 3 equals to 20 minus 9 over 15. 20 minus